welcome back to another video. This week we'll be putting in some mini gobstoppers. I want to try a big one, but I want to see what the little ones are like first. We'll keep that one to compare. I'm not sure what will happen. 2 scoops of 60 grit, silicone carbide. Hopefully it'll destroy them, but they're fairly hard. See, they're not squishy. So, let's see. Got some wooden dominoes suggested by I Like Games-ish. There's your standard ones. We'll keep one back, compare. I'm not sure what they look plastic. Said they were wood, so they must be wood. eBay for you. Got some grit in. Hopefully it'll wear them down to nothing. It's wood, so I can't see it being that strong. But yeah, I will see you in 7 days. Welcome back. Here we are, 7 days later. We'll do the gobstoppers first. Depending what's happened to them, I might put some big ones in. Not much. Guess what? They've gone grey. They look the same size. Maybe a little bit smaller. No, I think it's just took the colour off, one layer of colour off. Well, that one looks smaller, but might have been smaller from the packet. No, nothing's happened, they're all the same. Maybe I won't do a big one. Worth a try. And the wooden dominoes. If I can get the lid off. There. They're still whole. They look a lot smaller. Yeah. A lot skinnier. It's done more than I thought, to be fair. Can you tell? Put them side by side like that. A lot thinner. It's probably some worse than the others. But yeah. Dropped it. That was obviously, I've got it dirty now. Took all the little white spots off most of them, not all of them. Yeah, I thought it might break them up. Maybe it would with like harsher grit. Not too bad. Keep your suggestions coming in because they're good. That'd be ideal. Hope you like that one, short one again. Best way to keep it more interesting. I will see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.